Multiply matrix Q containing the menu prices of three sizes of sandwiches and three sizes of drinks by the scalar 1 and 725 ten-thousandths to determine matrix S, the cost of various sandwiches and drinks with sales tax. You might want to choose to do the multiplication with aid of technology. Businesses usually round up charges to the next cent. Okay, so we want to make, these are the original prices of the food, the sandwiches and drinks, and then we want to multiply by the scalar so that we can have it with tax. So multiplying this whole thing by 1 and 725 ten-thousandths. And so let's go ahead and use technology to do this. And so going into our calculator, we can go ahead and go to our matrix menu. So second and then matrix here on the x inverse or x to the negative 1 button. And then notice that for trit 1, I have my A matrix already. So I'm actually going to go to edit, and I'm actually going to use my B matrix, but it doesn't matter which one you use. We'll just end up multiplying by this on the main screen afterward. And so let's go ahead and edit. I'm going to do matrix B. And then remember that our rows are first. So this matrix Q has 2 rows, and then it has 3 columns. And notice that I'm just pressing enter to switch to the next one. And so then it gives me a matrix, and then I can go ahead and put in the numbers, and then I just press enter after each one, and it moves me along to the next one. Now that I have my numbers, then I can press second, quit, and it takes me back to our home screen, and then I can just type in our scalar and multiply it by going to second matrix and then clicking matrix B, my 2 by 3 matrix, and then pressing enter. And now we have our new matrix. And just note here that this will be with tax. And so for example, in our original matrix Q, if a sandwich is $6.99 here, row 1, column 2, then in our matrix B, row 1, column 2 is 7, and 0.496775. And so rounding that, would be 750, okay? And notice here that businesses usually round up charges to the next cent. And so we do need to go ahead and round these. And so let's just go over that. So it would be, for the first one, 5 point and then 66, since 2 is the next one, we would just leave it there. For row 2, column 1, it would be just 0.8, and then since 7 comes after the 4, it would be 0.85. And so that's for that drink. And then for the middle column, 7.50, since that 6 would round up that 9. And then 1.06, that would just stay that way since a 1 is smaller than 5. And then 7.8, and that will become a 2 since our 8 is bigger than 5. And then for row 2, column 3, 1.38, that'll just stay since our 3. So we'll go ahead and round it like so and summarize our answer. S equals 5 and 67 hundredths, 85 hundredths, 7 and 50 hundredths, 1 and 7 hundredths, 7 and 82 hundredths, 1 and 39 hundredths. As seen in Q sub 1, 2 and S sub 1, 2, a sandwich priced at $6.99 will cost $7.50 when the sales tax is applied.